Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive your buy data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes po.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I'm healthy.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Okay.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your name?
Eileen Handok,
How old are you?
37 years old.
Are you single or married?
I have a live-in partner.
Is it the father of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your child?
2 years old.
One only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when is your birthday?
February 26, 2023.
No. When is your birthday?
My birthday, ma'am?
Yes.
March 24, 1988.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 4'11" and my weight is 55.
Okay, what is your religion?
Catholic,
What about your educational background? Are you high school graduate?
ma'am.
Okay. You mentioned that you got live-in partner. How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
34 years old and he's working machine operator.
Okay. Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your kid later once you come to work here?
I take Yaya.
You take the yaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brother and three sisters.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the
I
eldest, the second?
eldest, ma'am.
Eldest. How about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father is 69 and my mother is 63. And he's working in farm.
Okay. So according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2015 to 2020 in Kuwait for 5 years. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Kuwait?
Cooking, cleaning, washing the clothes, taking care of the baby, taking care of the old woman.
How old is the baby that you take care?
1 year up.
1 year, one only?
Two.
How old?
2 year.
1 years old and 2 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, while taking care of these children, you take care of elderly also at the same time.
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the elderly that you take care?
70.
Female or male?
Female.
Okay, so what happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines and didn't continue working with this employer in Kuwait?
Because I'm long time working there.
Oh, so that's why you decided to go back home in the Philippines to for good lah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but what happened way back 2020 to 2023? You work in KSA.
Because ma'am, I want money because my money is because
Finish.
yes, ma'am. Because I'm
You're the
you know
breadwinner.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you worked there for 3 years in Saudi, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities there?
Cooking, cleaning, taking care of the baby, and also I I go outside together with the baby.
You do the laundry and ironing also?
Yes, ma'am.
How many children you take care?
5.
Oh, so how old are those children?
Infant, they have infant, um, 1
Newborn.
year,
1 year, and then?
also 12,
Okay.
11, 10,
1 year old, 12 years old, 11 years old, and
11 and 10.
so four only. Or how old is the infant? Is it 5 months old, 1 month old, or what?
1 month.
1 month. 1 month. So you take care of 5 children, which is 1 month old, 1 year old, 12 years old, 11 years old, and 10 years old children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you alone inside the house, or are you the only helper inside the house?
Yes, ma'am, I'm alone.
Okay, so what happened? Why you didn't continue with this employer?
Because, ma'am, I'm long time working and I want to rest. And
Okay. So after 2023 and until recently, do you have any working experience or you are a full-time mother?
I'm full-time mother, ma'am.
Full-time mother in the Philippines lah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so working as a domestic helper is not new for you, knowing that you already got working experience in Kuwait and Saudi Arabia, okay? But I would
Yes, ma'am.
like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. I don't want later that once you come to work here, you will be culture shocked and later you will going to compare your previous employer to your recently one, okay? So
Okay,
as
ma'am.
much as possible, I wanted to let you know the reality of working here. Employers here is very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Houses here is quite big, there is no joke. So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to sit back, you need to really uh okay, so you really need to fasten your seatbelt because you need to prepare yourself because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Middle East. Yeah?
Yes.
So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes.
Okay. This is a 2 years contract, okay? Any
Yes, ma'am.
uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come into work here in Malaysia, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Rules and regulations of usage of handphone is you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Okay, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here, okay? It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay, you can come, please work properly. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, you've been stuck in the Philippines for almost 2 years, right? So how will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
I I make busy myself, ma'am, and I work hard.
Okay. So always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your family also at the same time. Okay? In Philippines,
Yes.
you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there. But here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Eileen. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so
Okay.
much and have a good day. Bye.